Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good pepperoni cheese casserole. Very delicious, easy to make, so delicious. Follow along and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're gonna ground this up. Turn this on. Let this cook slowly. Let it grind up. Okay. Now we're going to put in some mushrooms. 2 cans of mushrooms. And I have drained them, so there ain't no juice on these. Okay, what I want to start doing is I want to put this pizza sauce all in this very well. And we're going to mix this well together. Okay, we're going to put some mozzarella cheese all over this. We're going to put our pepperoni all over the top of this. Over the top of this. Okay, take a look at this. Look how cheesy that is. We're going to cut us a good slice here. This does not have no crust, so it won't be as bad for you. Anyway, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. That looks good. Okay. God, that smells good. We're going to do a potato test on this. Let's get mushrooms on this and everything. It's going to be hot. Oh my God, that's good. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessed day.